sixth sense technology. How many of you know about this technology? Anyone? Okay, fine. For those who know about this technology, let's refresh about this technology. And for those who haven't studied about this technology, let us explore it together. So, first of all, tell me, how many of you are interested in watching science fiction movies? Anyone? Just say yes or no. Yes. Have you seen Iron Man? Yes. Okay, let's see a small clip upon it.
What does that look like to you, Jarvis? Not unlike an atom, in which case the nucleus would be here. Highlight the unisphere. Notice the footpaths. Get ready.
What is it you're trying to achieve, sir?
I'm discovering, correction, I'm rediscovering a new element. Lose the landscaping, the shrubbery, the trees, parking lots, exits, entrances. Structure the protons and the neutrons using the pavilions as a framework. Dead for almost 20 years. Still taking me to school.
Have you got a small idea about this technology? Okay, Kanu didn't get about this technology, so we'll explore it together. It is the beginning of new era of technology where engineering will reach new milestones. Just like science fiction movies where display of computer screens appear on walls, commands are given through gestures or voices. You imagine, and sixth sense technology will make it real. Isn't it futuristic? Now it's time for silent movie directors to think something new, because these technologies which they have used already in the movies is now going to be household stuff. Before few years, it was considered to be supernatural or totalizing imagination, but now it had been made possible. So let's see about this technology one by one. Firstly, we'll start with a small introduction for people who don't know about this technology. Now, the common definition is sixth sense technology is a wearable gestural interface. Focus on this word wearable. This technology, the mechanism used is such that it is just a small device which you can wear it just like your ID card. Wearable gestural interface that augments the physical world around us with digital information and let us use natural hand and gestures to interact with the information. It was given by Pranav Mistry, who is originally from Gujarat, and he was a student of MIT. His area of research was fluid interfaces. Sixth sense technology has integrated the real world object with the digital world. We are human beings, we cannot interact with the digital world directly. So we need some media, some means to interact with the digital world. Just like we use our mobile phones to call somebody, or we use computer or laptops and internet connection to search any information on Google or any other website. Before we hear your word, we are Alright. So we have eye, tongue, nose, ear, hand. We know the functions of all these senses, right? So what's the use of another sense which is named as sixth sense technology? Can you guess? Okay, first of all, tell me why we use these senses. Okay, let me tell you. We use these senses just to perceive things and make decisions. But in today's world, there are a lot of information and we can't perceive each and everything. We can't know about each and every product. So we need something more than these senses so that we can access to the information in the internet or web and know about that product. Suppose we want to buy a laptop. So our senses can't get about this laptop, the reviews of it, the functionalities of it, whether we should buy this or not. So there came a sixth sense technology available and portable as well as economical device which is known as sixth sense technology. Now next comes the components of this technology. In this technology we have camera, projector, mirror, mobile components, colored markers. I'll tell you the functionalities of each of them one by one. You can see the portable device, camera is kept over here, colored markers, projectors. Let's see the functionalities of each of them one by one. Now first of all, tell me, what's the functionality of camera which you use in your daily life? Very well. Now, it does the same functionality with the added feature of capturing the object as well as tracking the user's hand gestures. It sends data to the smartphone. It acts as a digital eye, connecting you to the world of digital information. Now, the next component is projector. What's the use of this projector? It just projects whatever you want onto the screen. Projector does the same functionality. The projector connects visual information enabling surfaces and physical objects to be used as interfaces. The projector itself contains a battery inside with 3 hours of battery life. You can use another battery of more battery life. A tiny LED projector displays data sent from a smartphone on any surface, a new object, or a person. Now the next component is mirror. Mirror is just used for reflection. The projector which is used in this technology projects the image on ground because it is held just below your chest. So we use mirror to just reflect whatever is projected from the projector. Next comes the smartphone. Do you know about the smartphones? Yeah. So the functionality of smartphone is whatever data has arrived, whatever video stream has arrived to smartphone, it is web enabled and it will search for the related information of the photo taken or the video stream or the object taken through the camera. It processes all the data related to that video or object or image and then sends back the information. Next comes the color markers. Color marker is just used to identify the object or image. Suppose I am doing like this. In coding it's like this gesture means taking a photo. So the software programs will detect this gesture as take the photo and store it in the smartphone or search it about this photo in the web. I'll show you a small demo about this marker. I have taken two objects of different colors in place of colored markers used in sixth sense technology. The coordinates of these two markers will be detected and interpreted to perform the required action. The image is not so clear. Let me tell you about this. I took two markers of color blue and green, blue and red while placing in front of my camera webcam. It just detected the coordinates of it. These respective coordinates will be sent is or not. So this camera which we are going to pair over here will capture the object, all the images, pictures and gestures in it, and this camera will send to smartphone which will be having in our pockets. This smartphone will be connected to web, and the data taken from the real world object will be processed in the smartphone, and the related information will be sent to the projector, and the work of projector is just to project. So since it is present downwards, it will project at a field. So this mirror is used to use this projection and reflect it on the required surface. Suppose I want to display on your face, it will display on your face. Alright? These are the written functionalities which I have explained. Now let's move on to the applications where this technology can be used in future. Now for making a call, you generally use your mobile phones. Just imagine what if you can use your mobile phone on your hand. You can just project your projector on your hand, make some gestures which is meant for making a call, and you can just call on your hand. The next application is about map. You can navigate any of the map, or you can use it as GPS, which is most widely used in today's world. And with the map application, you can follow the map of your choice, and then use thumbs and index fingers to navigate. Also, you can see the temperatures of the areas all around the world. The next application is checking the time. Just draw a circuit. Instead of having this physical wristwatch, you can just draw a circuit on your wrist to get the virtual clock which tells the current time of your area. Have you seen Harry Potter? In Harry Potter, there was one scene where when people was reading a newspaper and the live video streaming was going on. The same we can do over here. 6S can be programmed to project related videos on the newspaper articles you are reading. Now again we can draw any of the application anywhere you want. Suppose you want to draw anything, any face on the board. So you can just make a gesture like this. Instead of using marker, pen, you can just make a gesture of making a face or anything you want. Now the next application is zooming features. You use the zooming features in your smartphones by touching it. What you can do zooming small device we can carry it to any of the places. Next is it supports multi-touch and multi-user informations of interactions. Connectedness between word and information. It connects the real word with the digital word. Next comes it is cost effective. It's around $350 for now. Data access directly from machine in real time. Mind map, the idea anyway. It's a